so to start with, I'm going to start with white, and I'm just going to flood the bottom with a little bit of white. Not a lot. And then about equal amount of orange. I want those colors to kind of swirl in together. Actually, I should probably, yeah, let's go ahead and do purple. And then yellow down the middle. Okay, now I'll bring my spatula back out. And I'm gonna pour onto the spatula so it doesn't go so deep. And then do orange.
Charles.
And this isn't science. This is, so the science part is mixing everything correctly and all that. This is the art part. And there's, to quote one of my favorite artists, there's no mistakes, only happy little accidents.
Is it Bob Ross?
Yeah, that's Bob Ross. He's awesome. He lived in Alaska for a lot of years. Up in the interior. I think that was part of his Air Force days. Oops. Yep, I'm messy. Okay. And again. Told you I'm messy. Okay. One more time. This time I'm gonna try to flood the top. And I don't know if I have enough. Bless you, son.
You want me to spray this?
Okay. You don't need to for cold process.
Okay. Do we have extra?
Yeah, but I'm not done yet.
Okay.
So now that the main part of the soap is done, I'm poured in there. Now I'm going to do the design I do, and this one is going to be a. I'm going to do a figure 8, and basically it's exactly what it sounds like. I'm just going to do figure 8s through the soap. Just like that. And then I'm going to now do the very, very top part. And this one is just kind of a artsy, whatever you feel like doing. I'm pouring this very close because I don't want this to penetrate the layers below it. And I haven't actually done it this way before. So this will be interesting. And yellow. Then I'm going to go ahead and just a quarter inch, half inch at the most, and I run this back and forth. And then I will, now I'm going to loop this back and forth. And then last, I'm going to trace this on the outline. Hey, buddy. Let's see if I can clean this up.
Okay, we're good?
Almost. Just going to kind of clean this up. Okay, and that will be it for this one. By the way, while we've been doing this, our oven's been heating up to about 170, and when we're done with the next part of our pour, we'll turn off the oven and we'll put these into the oven to cure overnight.
Okay.
So with the leftover batter, we have some of these small soap molds. So I'll just go ahead and start with a base of white. Probably can't get more than about 3. That's okay. Yeah, messy. Let's see, I think orange was next. Just make sure this is covering the bottoms.
Well, you know what? I need to put it in something heavier.
Yeah.
It's gonna be hard to move.
weren't done. You just put it there. Probably should have done more than 3. Because I still have some left. So the higher you pour it, so if you pour it from high, it'll penetrate the layers, or if you pour it low, it'll stay on top. And so this one, I want it to penetrate a little bit, so I'm pouring this one from high. And then, just to give it a little bit of a design, I'll go ahead and give it a couple little swirls. You don't want to mix it. You're not trying to make it monotonous or monotone. You don't want it just one color. And I still have some orange left, so
You can use the small one.
I'll just pour it in here.
Yeah.
I'll turn that off, honey. We'll turn that off when we're done.
Okay.
That actually might look pretty cool. I might leave that one. I might not even mess with it. Let's see. I'll go like this. Okay. So that's it for pouring. So next is going to just be putting them in the oven, and then tomorrow, in about 24 hours actually, we will peel them open and see how they look and start to cut them in. So that'll be the next part of the video. See you guys then.